Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of genetics to uncover some of the scariest and rarest genetic mutations. These unique conditions make some people very different from others, often through no choice of their own. Join me as we explore the science behind these mutations and shed light on the lives of those affected. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity of life and the extraordinary resilience of the human spirit. Our first stop takes us into the realm of cellular miscommunication, where a single gene alteration can have cascading effects on the human form. This is the world of Proteus syndrome, a rare disorder characterized by the uncontrolled growth of bones, skin, and other tissues. Imagine a body in constant flux, where bones grow at different rates, causing limbs to twist and distort. The cause? A rogue gene, a single mutation that disrupts the delicate balance of cellular growth. Some individuals may experience only minor symptoms, while others face severe deformities that impact their mobility and quality of life. Despite the challenges, many individuals with Proteus syndrome live full and meaningful lives, advocating for understanding and acceptance. Our journey into the world of rare genetic disorders continues with harlequin ichthyosis, a condition that is as heartbreaking as it is rare. Imagine a newborn, their skin encased in thick armor-like plates, a living statue trapped within their own body, unable to move freely or feel the gentle touch of a parent. This severe genetic disorder disrupts the delicate process of skin formation, causing it to grow at an abnormally rapid rate, leading to a cascade of complications. Instead of the soft, supple skin of a newborn, these infants are born with a thick, hardened shell that cracks and fissures, leaving them vulnerable to infection, dehydration, and extreme discomfort. The root cause lies within the genes that govern skin cell production, a tiny mutation with devastating effects. A mutation disrupts the normal life cycle of these cells, causing them to multiply and accumulate at an alarming rate, creating a relentless cycle of skin overgrowth. Infants with harlequin ichthyosis face an uphill battle from their first breath, requiring intensive medical care, constant monitoring, and a lifetime of specialized treatment to manage their condition. Our exploration of rare genetic mutations takes a turn towards the seemingly impossible, a condition that gradually transforms the human body into a living statue. This is the reality of fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva, or FOP, a disorder so rare that it affects only 1 in 2 million people worldwide. Imagine your muscles, tendons, and ligaments slowly turning to bone, locking your joints in place. A mutation in a single gene disrupts tissue repair, causing the body to produce bone in places where it shouldn't. This misplaced bone growth, known as heterotopic ossification, is the hallmark of FOP. Over time, these bony growths accumulate, restricting movement and causing progressive disability. Prepare to enter a world where myth and reality collide, where the boundaries between folklore and science blur. Here, ancient tales of werewolves find a strange echo in a rare genetic condition known as hypertrichosis, often referred to as werewolf syndrome. This disorder, characterized by excessive hair growth all over the body, has captivated human imagination for centuries, blending the lines between legend and reality. Imagine a body covered in thick dark hair, from the face and scalp to the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. It's a sight that can be both fascinating and unsettling. While the legend of the werewolf might seem a world away, the social stigma and psychological impact of hypertrichosis are very real and deeply felt. Individuals with this condition often face stares, whispers, and discrimination, making everyday life a challenge. The root of hypertrichosis lies buried deep within our DNA, in the genes that regulate hair growth, a mystery that science is still unraveling. Regardless of its origin, the impact on those affected can be profound, affecting their self-esteem, social interactions, and overall quality of life. Our exploration of rare genetic mutations leads us to epidermodysplasia verruciformis, a rare skin disorder that causes the growth of scaly macules and papules resembling the bark of a tree. Imagine your skin transforming into a hardened bark-like shell, your hands and feet resembling gnarled branches. This baffling disorder stems from a vulnerability to certain types of human papillomavirus, or HPV. In individuals with epidermodysplasia verruciformis, these viruses trigger an uncontrolled growth of skin cells, leading to the formation of characteristic wart-like lesions. The hands and feet are particularly susceptible, often becoming so disfigured that they resemble the gnarled branches of a tree. The exact genetic mutation responsible for this heightened susceptibility to HPV remains a mystery. Our journey into the world of rare genetic mutations takes a poignant turn as we explore progeria, a condition that causes children to age at an alarmingly accelerated rate. This rare disorder, also known as Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, affects approximately 1 in every 4 million births worldwide. Imagine a child, full of life and potential, their bodies betraying them, aging before their eyes. The innocence of youth is overshadowed by the harsh realities of a body that ages rapidly. Children with progeria appear healthy at birth, but within a year or two, the telltale signs of accelerated aging begin to emerge. Their growth slows, and they start to exhibit characteristics typically seen in elderly individuals. The cause of this rapid aging lies deep within the cell nucleus, in a tiny protein responsible for maintaining the structural integrity of the cell. This protein, crucial for cellular stability, becomes defective due to a genetic anomaly. A single mutation in the gene that codes for this protein, known as lamin A, throws the entire system into disarray. This mutation leads to the production of an abnormal form of the protein, which disrupts normal cellular functions. The average lifespan of a child with progeria is just 13 years, their short lives marked by the health challenges typically associated with old age. These include heart disease, stroke, and arthritis, conditions that are rare in children but common in the elderly. Their stories are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Despite the physical challenges they face, these children often display remarkable courage and positivity, inspiring those around them with their strength and determination. Prepare to enter a world that challenges our understanding of human evolution and the very nature of what it means to walk upright. This is the realm of Uncontrolled syndrome, a rare condition that leaves individuals walking on all fours. Individuals with this syndrome exhibit a distinctive quadrupedal gait, walking on their hands and feet with a fluidity that seems both familiar and unsettling. Their speech is often limited, their cognitive abilities impaired. The discovery of Uncontrolled syndrome in a remote Turkish family in the late 20th century sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Uncontrolled syndrome remains an enigma, a stark reminder of how much we still don't know about the complexities of the human brain and the mysteries hidden within our genetic code. Our exploration of rare genetic mutations takes us into a world where hands take on an unsettlingly different form. This is the reality of ectrodactyly, a condition that splits the hands and feet, giving them a claw-like appearance. Imagine a world where even the simplest tasks, grasping a pen, tying a shoelace, shaking someone's hand, become a challenge. Despite its dramatic appearance, ectrodactyly is not a life-threatening condition. The root cause of ectrodactyly lies in a disruption of limb development during the early stages of pregnancy. Some cases of ectrodactyly run in families, suggesting a genetic predisposition, while others appear to occur sporadically. Our exploration of rare genetic mutations takes us into a realm that challenges our understanding of pain. This is the world of congenital insensitivity to pain, a rare condition that renders individuals incapable of feeling physical pain. Pain, as unwelcome as it may be, serves a vital purpose. Without this crucial warning system, individuals with congenital insensitivity to pain are prone to injuries that go unnoticed and untreated. The root of congenital insensitivity to pain lies in a disruption of the body's pain signaling pathway. In individuals with this condition, mutations in certain genes disrupt this signaling pathway, effectively silencing the body's alarm system. Our journey into the world of rare genetic mutations concludes with albinism, a group of genetic disorders that affect the production of melanin. Imagine a world washed in shades of gray where the vibrant hues of nature appear muted. Individuals with albinism are often characterized by their strikingly pale skin, white or light blonde hair, and pale blue or even translucent eyes. This lack of pigmentation carries with it a heightened sensitivity to sunlight and an increased risk of vision problems. A lack of melanin can disrupt the development of the retina, leading to a range of vision problems.